Do you want to know about the 3 kinds of equatorial trees? Number 1, mahogany. Number 2, teak. And number 3, ebony. Welcome to my channel, Princess Versatile. Here you'll get everything you want, from paintings and sketches to paper craft videos, study material, and kids' games. So let's begin. All the 3 trees are grown in equatorial forests. Let's start with mahogany. The mahogany is a large semi-evergreen tree. It means that approximately all around the year, the tree's leaves are green. They can grow 200 feet in height with leaves some 20 inches. Mahogany trees grow in very warm climates. They're native to South Florida, Bahamas, and the Caribbean. Extra information: the tree is also nicknamed Cuban mahogany and West Indian mahogany. Now the question occurs that how long does it take for a mahogany tree to mature? So the answer is roughly 25 years. They take roughly 25 years to reach a mature height of 50 feet, which means they have a relatively fast growth rate compared to other trees. On the left you can see images of mahogany tree bark. Another question is that what is the use of mahogany? So mahogany is prized for its beauty and its brownish red color, which is really beautiful, and is used for paneling and make furniture, boats, musical instruments, and other items. On the left you can see a guitar made up of mahogany wood, an example of paneling. Add on. As the most desirable species of mahogany are very expensive, so illegal logging of this tree is being done widely, plus its many species are now endangered. We should stop cutting mahogany trees now. Who agrees? Like, share, and subscribe. So let's move over to the next tree, teak. Teak is a large deciduous tree up to 40 meters, 131 feet. Deciduous means that it sheds leaves in autumn season and grows new leaves in the spring. And the tree has grayish-brown branches and is known for its high-quality wood. Here are some pictures of teak plantation. A very important question is, how is teak grown? So teak is grown mainly the seeds are soaked in water for 12 hours and then spread to dry in the sun for 12 hours. This is repeated for 10 to 14 days and then the seeds are sown. It's a long process, isn't it? You can see images of teak seeds. Another important thing is, why is teak wood so expensive? So the answer is simple. Because the hardwood is the highest quality of wood and the most desirable for furniture, and it can take 40 years to get a large enough tree to produce the desired costs money, which means that your teak wood furniture will be priced higher than a softer, less expensive wood. Add on. Did you know that teak has fragrant white flowers? You can see its picture here. And another thing is that teak has been used as a boat building material for over 2,000 years. And you can see a boat made up of teak wood. The next kind of wood is ebony. Ebony is defined as a very dark black color. Ebony is a dense black-brown hardwood. It is native to Western Africa and Indonesia. On the left you can see images of ebony tree bark. It's really black. Ebony is prized for its luxuriant multicolored wood grain. It is finely textured and has a mirror finish when polished, making it valuable as an ornamental wood. You can see pitch black wood, which is ebony, on the left side. Here are some pieces made up of ebony. A decoration piece. These chess pieces are made up of ebony, an ebony chair, and piano keys made up of ebony. Add on. Have you ever heard before that wood can sink in water? So now I'll tell you. Ebony is dense enough to sink in water. And another thing, an ebony is a complement to describe a dark complexion that is beautiful and smooth dark without a hint of brown. You can see the both. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and